Hello everyone. Welcome to the YouTube channel HEOR Insights. And I would like to welcome you all to the today's topic, health economics and outcome research. Let us continue with the today's topic, that is HEOR. What is HEOR? HEOR is basically health economics and outcome research. So it is basically a combination of two different separate domains. The first one is health economics and second one is outcome research. So it is combination of health economics and outcome research. So why this field even exists? Like what is the importance of this? This HEOR field assesses the value of a healthcare intervention. And when we say healthcare intervention, what we mean is our drug, our surgery, or any therapeutic intervention or any therapeutic agent which is used to diagnose or mitigate any disease. So this field assesses that the value of that medication or that equipment or medical device by examining their cost effectiveness, safety, efficacy, and impact on patient health and quality of life. It provides evidence to help healthcare stakeholders. And who are healthcare stakeholders? We, the payers, the policymakers, and the clinicians who make informed decision about which treatment and services to adopt. So this HEOR helps to make informed decision that after having all the knowledge, we can now decide that which treatment and services to adopt, and it also helps the healthcare insurance companies to cover the best efficacious medication which is both better in terms of quality and cost and prioritize them. In HEOR, there are various research methods uh, which have been which are utilized, which includes cost effectiveness analysis, cost utility analysis, and health technology assessment. Uh, Not limited to this, there also are several other methods like budget impact modeling, different type of forest plots, data analysis, statistics, in various different statistical softwares like R. If we talk about importance of HEOR, so why it is important? Because it helps to make informed decision about whether which treatment to cover and also helps the healthcare stakeholders to make informed decisions about whether they want to cover the specific treatment or not. How HEOR helps in informed decision making. It provides evidence on the value of treatment and healthcare interventions beyond clinical efficacy. If when we say beyond clinical efficacy, that means it uses real world data to demonstrate treatment overall impact on patient quality of life, its economic value, like it's related to its financial standpoint, and also various health outcomes, whether the treatment is actually treating the people, how much quality of life it brings to the patient life after using that specific treatment. So this evidence-based approaches balances rising healthcare cost with the need for high quality care, promotes cost effective treatments, and help ensure better patient access to necessary interventions. And it do these all of these things by using informed decision making, by providing evidence for the treatments in respect of their economic and outcome health outcomes. It helps its market access, it balances cost and quality, and it focuses not only on the controlled trials. which is the basic necessity for the approval of drug, that is the clinical studies. It not only focuses on that, it also uses real world evidence. What we mean by real world evidence, the data which is generated when the treatment is being used during real world scenarios. Now talking about the scope of HEOR, why we are even studying this, like why any pharma professional would really study about HEOR, because it is increasing in demand in various pharma companies, consultancies, and health tech firms. HEOR is not limited to India, it is a global field like in US, UK, and is now gaining traction in India with growing HT adoption. If we talk about where HEOR opportunities are, it is available in pharma companies like Sun Pharma, Novartis, Dr. Reddy's, global consulting firms, IQVIA, ZS Associates, Parexel, health technology assessment agencies like for India, it is HTA India, and also there are opportunities available in various global HTA agencies like NICE, MA for UK, and various academic and public health institutions also offers position to HUR experts for systematic literature review, meta-analysis, network meta-analysis, that is the part of HUR. If we talk about various job role, which is obviously not limited to this, but some of the major role which are available is HUR analyst, market access associate, pharmacoeconomics researcher, and HTA specialist.